Is it time to buy or sell Quoin Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we will explore Quoin Pharmaceuticals in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 16th of September, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 12th of September 2025, our system has ranked Quoin Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.8. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of approximately 7.98%. This translates to an average return of about 2.66% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend upwards. Initially, a slower decline is indicated, but this might very well be an early signal of a trend shift. Following this reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which is $7.90. This level may provide a second opportunity for a significant upward movement. According to fan theory, $10.08 will be the next potential peak level, establishing a resistance that may be difficult to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 20.42% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 44.59% to negative 23.4%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 201.98%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 122.05% to 494.09% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $18.22 and $48.75. Our latest daily update for Quoin Pharmaceuticals includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Quoin Pharmaceuticals Limited. The Quoin Pharmaceuticals Limited stock price gained 4.94% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 16th of September 2025. The price rose from $7.82 to $8.21. This marks 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 5.38%, with a low of $7.80 and a high of $8.22. The stock has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.98% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price increase, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 13,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 15,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $126,650. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $14.70, while the lowest was 27.6 cents. Currently, the price sits 44.18%, or $6.49 below the 52-week high. It is also 99.85%, or $5,319.79 below the all-time high reached on the 3rd of September, 2021, when the price hit $5,328. Quoin Pharmaceuticals has been active this year as it advances QNRX 003 toward commercialization. The company is conducting registrational trials for Netherton syndrome across the United States, Europe, and the Middle East. It has secured European Medicines Agency orphan drug designation for QNRX 003, which grants 10 years of potential market exclusivity in Europe. Additionally, Quoin has filed a United States patent application for novel topical formulations targeting Netherton and related skin diseases. Clinical updates have been promising. Multiple pediatric case reports indicate rapid and durable healing across the whole body, elimination of severe itching, and a reduced need for supportive medications. Furthermore, the company reported a second quarter loss that was better than estimates while also regaining compliance with NASDAQ listing rules. In August, Quoin appointed a new chief financial officer, and continued its patient-facing Netherton Now awareness campaign, signaling preparations for commercialization. In the short term, the positive second quarter performance, ongoing encouraging case data, and regained listing compliance may enhance investor sentiment and stimulate trading interest. Looking ahead, successful pivotal results, regulatory approvals, orphan exclusivity, granted patents, and a strengthened commercial team could significantly boost revenue potential and overall valuation. However, key risks persist in clinical, regulatory, and financing execution, meaning that milestones will influence the stock's volatility and directional movements. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 15th of March, 2024, it was reported that Maxim Group assigned QNRX a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. Analysts have assigned Quoin Pharmaceuticals stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Quoin Pharmaceuticals. The chart reveals mostly positive signals today. Quoin Pharmaceuticals Limited stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be found at the levels of $7.66 and $7.35. A drop below either of these levels would generate sell signals. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 22.57%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD. Quoin Pharmaceuticals Limited has also seen increased trading volume, which coincides with the recent price increase. This trend is considered a technical positive sign, as volume typically follows price movements. Higher liquidity contributes to a reduction in overall risk. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 31 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Quoin Pharmaceuticals. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.25 and $7.15. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as a breach could lead to a further decline to the next support level. In this case, Quoin Pharmaceuticals Limited finds support just below today's level at $7.25. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $7.15 and $6.70. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 420 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing a change of 5.38%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.10%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Quoin Pharmaceuticals, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates currently stand at negative $6.36. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Quoin Pharmaceuticals. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Quoin Pharmaceuticals is at $8.58. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Quoin Pharmaceuticals faces its first support level at $7.25. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Quoin Pharmaceuticals from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of August, 2025, Lawler Sally Bridget conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of ADS. On the 21st of August, 2025, Leon Natalie E. Munn conducted an insider purchase of 4,105 shares of the share option, which is the right to buy. On the 21st of August, 2025, Culverwell Anthony James conducted an insider purchase of 13,682 shares of the share option, which is the right to buy. On the 21st of August, 2025, Langer Dennis conducted an insider purchase of 13,682 shares of the share option, which is the right to buy. On the 29th of May, 2025, Carter Denise P. conducted an insider purchase of 42,857 shares of the share option, which is the right to buy. Based on the 71 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 96.4. In total, insiders purchased 1,541,975,661 shares and sold 257,142,697 shares in the last 71 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.91, reflecting a decline of 3.58%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 30 days ago. Is Quoin Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs, and the breakout from the downward trend suggests a potential change in direction. We believe that the prices near this breakout point will represent particularly favorable levels, while also considering that the current price could serve as a solid buying opportunity for the short term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 17th of September, we anticipate Quoin Pharmaceuticals will open lower by 13.1 cents and begin trading at $8.08. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.